Looking at these plates closer to, you can see it's quite a complicated plumbing. The river can flood quite violently, and we're guaranteed that the contraptions won't be washed away. These girders are anchored in a shed which has got good foundations. The water comes from the plates. It's a sealed system with antifreeze. Comes from the plates and is then piped underground to a shed in the distance, which I'll show you in a moment. The girders have been fixed through the wall of the shed and are screwed down onto the floor and reinforced in a way to make sure that there isn't too much drag. There had to be a lot of groundwork to bring the water, the antifreeze fluid to the shed which we had to build. And inside there is the heat pump exchanger. I have no idea what all of these pipes are doing. All I know is that the end result is that 3 degrees of temperature is taken out of the water and converted into hot water, which go up into the space under the upstairs floor, where it goes across to a boiler, storage, a storage tank, and also goes to our gas boiler in the kitchen. It was quite amazing. This was done with the minimum of disruption to the house. The shed was built to try and fit in with the rest of the house, and has been quite successful.